Hey everybody, it's Joe, and it has been a long time. I hope everybody out there is doing well and staying productive and healthy and happy. I'm here today to show off a new little toy from Saddleback Leather. Super stoked about. Just got it a couple hours ago while I was working, and it is a leather apron that I will use when I am barbecuing. I got myself an offset smoker couple months ago and have been using the crap out of it. Been getting a lot of clothes very damaged and dirty in the process as I go about learning how to use the thing. And the guy that I watch on YouTube quite often, Mad Scientist Barbecue, plug for his channel, he's awesome. He wears a really cool leather apron. Don't know what brand it is, but I decided to go to Saddleback for mine. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. In typical Saddleback fashion, the packaging is not fancy. Actually, I'm pretty happy about that. Seat. Okay, got this paper here. Let's cut this open and pull this guy out. Okay, so I got the apron out and I went ahead and attached the kind of neck strap so you can see what that's like. But and this thing is hefty and gorgeous, just gorgeous. So it's that I think it's the tobacco color. It's the only color they offered for their aprons, but I'm super happy with this one. I would have chosen this one or their darker leather. The back of it is, I think, just, I don't actually know if this is a lining or not. It feels like it might be. It's not super thick. Kind of show you the thickness there. So it's not going to weigh me down too much. This is the more expensive version. It's got more pockets, and it also has these, not sure what the purpose, I guess just to hang tools or something, but it's got these veg tan leather straps. So, they've got their classic sort of chrome tan leather, which should be very resistant to heat and, damages that you might incur while using an offset smoker. And then for the straps, they've got their natural colored veg tan leather straps. I'm assuming these are full grain as well, as is the case with the actual apron itself. But these straps are very heavy duty, not super burnished. I mean, I think there's some burnishing done, but it's not, kind of perfect, glossy and kind of finished with toconol or something else that gives it that shiny, sort of appealing look that you get with some veg tan belts and straps and such, but still well finished and painted. I absolutely love the natural color of vegetable tan leather, so I'm a big fan of that. And the hardware seems very heavy duty. So it's that kind of surgical grade stainless steel that Saddleback boasts and use in their bags as well. And then it looks like just copper fixtures here. So overall, really nice. Definitely no defects that I can see. Just a super great looking leather apron that I'm very excited to use. And I'm assuming this one will, so I just did a pulled pork on the offset smoker this past weekend, and that was a 8.5 hour job. Had 2 of them in there, and then also threw on some chicken kind of later on. And so if you're wearing something like this for that entire time, I could definitely see that getting pretty heavy. But I don't know, if you are better at fire management than I am at the moment, you could probably take more breaks and take this bad boy off, and it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, this is definitely has all the bells and whistles, more than I need, but I just really loved the look of it. I loved that it had the veg tan leather straps. I don't think their other version did. I think it was all just chrome tan leather. Nothing wrong with that, but I definitely love the pairing of the two. And yeah, I'm excited to try this out and get it all used up. See how it ages. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll probably do a review on this when I use it a few times. But like I said, hope everybody's doing well. Take care. Be careful out there. And we'll see you next time.